My name is Jean-Paul Bourget. I'm the product manager here at Öhlins.
I have a workshop in Spain and we are a specialist in Porsche.
I'm Charlie from William Francis.
I'm Colin from Barnes Sport. We're a specialist on the South Coast.
Been here for around 3.5 years now, and I love it.
Worked very closely with you guys, DESIGN911, supplying us with lots and lots of great components. We obviously mainly specialise, obviously in Porsche, but mainly 911 and Boxster and Cayman models, which aftermarket suspension kits are really popular on, and we're absolutely delighted to be able to come and see, in our opinion, probably the best aftermarket solution.
I really appreciate the opportunity to come to the factory, to Öhlins factory, because it's very easy for us to show to the customers all that we can do it for their cars. It's a very good opportunity for doing it.
We had the honor to invite you guys over and show you what we do here at Öhlins. Everything from a presentation of the company in general to have a company tour, show you what we do here at Väsby, but also tell you what we do globally.
It's been really enjoyable coming on this trip to Öhlins to understand all the development that goes into their shock absorbers.
We fit an awful lot of Bilstein, obviously, because that's the OE and they offered the PASM, but we're hopeful that Öhlins are going to join the party soon, and we'll definitely, after our trip today, be using a lot more Öhlins products now we've seen the really high level of detail of manufacture and quality, and you can really see where that extra money goes. So yeah, it's really grateful to have come on the trip. Thank you.